All right, in this problem, we have an ice cream cone with, I guess, blueberry ice cream. I've been going to Baskin Robbins and getting a lot of cherry ice cream lately. And let's say we got a sugar cone here, and I gave you the dimensions of the blueberry ice cream is a sphere. We'll assume it's a sphere. The other half of the sphere is inside the cone. You don't see it, obviously. And the radius of both the sphere and the cone is 2 centimeters. And then we have the height of the cone, which is 10 centimeters. And the question is, if you didn't eat the ice cream, if you just let it sit in the sun on a nice sunny day and it melted completely, would the ice cream melt in the cone or would it spill over the cone? That's the big question. Why you wouldn't eat the ice cream, don't ask me. But let's just say that you left it out in the sun. And what we have to do here is we're going to find the volume of the cone. Then we're going to find the volume of the sphere. And if the cone volume is bigger than the sphere, then the ice cream stays in the cone. But if the sphere volume is bigger than the cone, then the ice cream will spill over the cone. So the volume of a cone is pi r squared times the height, and you got to divide that by 3 because it is a cone. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay? So let's see. So we got pi times 2 squared times the height, which is 10. Divide that by 3. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 10 is 40. 40 times 3.4 divided by 3 is going to be approximately, I'm just going to round it. If you do the math, it's going to be about 40. That's a round because I don't have a calculator right now, but I'm going to assume that the pi and the 3 are about the same, and it's going to be about 40. Again, that's a round. Okay? Let's take a look at the sphere. So we have 4/3 pi times the radius, which is 2 to the 3rd power. That's going to be 4/3 times pi times 8. Okay? 8 times 4 is 32. 32 divided by 3 is about 11, close to 11. And 11 times pi is close to 33. And again, this is just a round here, not perfect. But it looks to me, even with our rounding, there's a big difference there. It looks to me like the cone has a larger volume. So it looks to me like the ice cream will safely spill into the cone. And it will not melt and go over the top. Well, it will melt, but it won't go over the top. So I'll just put down stays in the cone